All right, this is our 4-axis CNC system equipment cabinet. Right now this is configured for the 3-axis. You have your X, Y, and Z drives, and you can have the additional drive, the 4th axis. The panel is already configured for 4-axis. It's just this one's configured as a 3-axis system. There's your frequency drive, your line filter, your AC power distribution, your circuit breaker, and your power disconnect. And then of course your I/O board, which is available. Now what we're going to do is take you over to a system that we have installed on a mill. I'm not going to open this cabinet because it's got the disconnect on it, and we'll shut the power off if I do that. So that's why we're going over here. So this is the CNC control panel. It's a this one's configured for the 4-axis. We're using the 4th axis as a rotary axis. It can be either linear or rotary, but in this configuration we have it configured as a rotary axis. First, what we'll do is we're gonna home the system. So we'll press well, normally when we first power it up, you have to enable your servos. And once that is done, then you press the machine home, and we can do all the axis simultaneously. So we'll do the Z, the Y, and the X. Show movement on that. Is it missing the switch? Okay. All right, it shows all 3 axes have been homed. So now what I can do is I can move each one of the axes off the So I'll move each one of the axes off the So what we also have with this panel, we have conversational programming. We have DRO mode. DRO is very useful on a knee mill because you can disable your servos, X, Y, and Z, and then you can manually rotate your handles, and you can see we're changing position. And going between manual operation and CNC operation, you can switch back and forth without losing position. So that's one big advantage of this. So you can do manual operations. And the way we have this mill configured is we use the Z-axis on the knee, and that allows you to have your quill free for manual operation. Okay. All right, let's go back to the... So, like I said, this is a full-featured 4-axis CNC panel. It comes with the ball screws, with an automatic oiler. One of the things that we do is provide an additional oil line to the knee, and that way it goes to your screw on the knee and does not have any wear for using it as a Z-axis. I think that's pretty much it. Like I said, we'll send you the manual to the panel, and any other questions you might have, just please call us and we can assist you with that. It includes an integrated frequency drive, so you can turn the spindle on. increase this one. Oh. So you have your spindle override, your feed rate override, and of course okay, and then we have, you know, your e-stop. If you do enable an e-stop, you'll get an alarm up here, and all your function switches will be flashing here, so that indicates an e-stop condition. And again, you have to enable your servos after your e-stop to be able to use the machine again. All right, like I said, you can call us with any further questions you might have.